Picture this, Mommers. You just checked into a gorgeous 5-star resort in Maui. You walk into your stunning suite, and you are ready to unpack your designer diaper bag and relax. But then you open the cabinetry and find a minibar stuffed to the brim with $20 bottles of sparkling water and absolutely no room for a single ounce of your liquid gold. Total panic mode, right? Storing your pumped breast milk in a standard hotel room can turn a dream vacation into a stressful nightmare real quick. But today, we are spilling the tea on the ultimate hotel travel hack that will completely save your sanity and your supply. We are breaking down exactly why you should always request an empty mini fridge for your hotel room, and how to get it for absolutely $0. Welcome back to Milky Way Travels, your go-to destination for navigating motherhood without sacrificing your luxury travel lifestyle. We know that traveling with a baby or keeping up your pumping schedule on vacation takes serious strategy. You deserve to relax, enjoy the resort amenities, and feel like a total VIP, not stress over where to store your milk or baby food. Grab your favorite iced latte, and let's dive into why this one simple request is an absolute game changer for your next getaway. First up, let us talk about the secret hotel loophole that most mommers do not know about. Many high-end hotels will try to charge you a daily rental fee, sometimes $25 or $30 a night, just to bring a mini fridge up to your room. But here is the insider tip. In the United States, breast milk is legally considered a medical necessity. When you call the front desk or the concierge, you do not just ask for a fridge. You explicitly tell them you need a medical refrigerator to store breast milk. By framing it as a medical requirement for your lactation journey, almost every reputable hotel chain will waive that fee instantly and prioritize getting that appliance delivered straight to your room. It is the ultimate bougie budget hack that saves you cash while protecting your hard-earned ounces. Next, let us look at why relying on the hotel ice bucket or the existing minibar is a recipe for disaster. Hotel minibars are often censored with weight-sensitive triggers. If you move a single bottle of champagne to squeeze in a milk storage bag, you will automatically get charged on your final bill. Plus, those minibars are usually kept at a cool beverage temperature, not the freezing cold temperature required to keep breast milk completely safe. And let us be real, running down the hall to get ice every few hours is definitely not the vibe when you are trying to relax. A dedicated, empty mini fridge ensures your milk stays at the perfect temperature, and it gives you plenty of room to store your high-end wearable pump parts between sessions, keeping everything clean and hygienic. Finally, you need to know exactly how to secure this VIP perk like a pro. Do not wait until you are standing at the front desk with a fussy baby in a stroller and a mountain of luggage. The real power move is to call the hotel at least 48 hours before your scheduled arrival. Speak directly to the concierge or the guest relations manager. Let them know you are traveling with an infant and require a dedicated refrigerator in your room for medical storage. This gives the housekeeping and engineering staff plenty of time to wheel it in and plug it in before you even open your room door. It creates a seamless, stress-free check-in experience so you can get straight to the infinity pool. Traveling as a breastfeeding mama should feel like a luxury vacation, not a stressful chore. With this one simple hack, you can keep your liquid gold safe and focus on making beautiful memories. If you loved these tips and want more real talk on luxury family travel, hit that subscribe button right now. Give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment below sharing your wildest hotel travel story. Thanks for hanging out with Milky Way Travels, and we will see you in the next one. Safe travels, mommers.